Hi everyone, it's Fiona Fernandez by byfihandcrafts, and I've got a box to open, so I'm going to open it. How exciting. Be careful I don't cut through anything. Put that down. Oh, can't get that one, but not cut my chair, hey. Alright, there we go. That knife away. This is my latest Stampin' Up order, and I've got some things from the Sale-A-Bration. So if you don't know what the Sale-A-Bration is, it's if you spend $90 or more, for every $90 you spend with Stampin' Up for the month of January and February, you get to choose some free items. So this is, let me see what's in there. I'll show you what's in there that's free in a minute. I've got, this is out of the catalogue, Happy Thoughts. Aren't they lovely? Some nice sentiments there to use. I like sets like this because they just go with so many things. That's great. Just pop that on the table. Lots of air, of course, so that everything gets here safely. And I've got a couple of silicone mats, silicone craft sheet. These are very handy. You can put do your adhesives on there and it doesn't stick to it. It's really good. I've actually used it to emboss using a die in my new Stampin' Cut emboss machine. So that's handy. What else have we got? Sahara Sand, an ink pad, because I didn't have one. I've got a lot of different colours in ink pads, but not this one. So I decided to get that. And this is Hello Dear Friend. It's a card kit, and that's in the new catalogue. Just grab my catalogue. And so that card kit is on page, let me see here, page 6 of the mini catalogue, the current mini catalogue. And that's what it looks like. Hello Dear Friend. I'll be playing with that one day soon. And what else have we got? I've got some Cajun Craze cardstock, because I won a Cajun Craze ink pad last month with my with the team that I'm in, Mandy's team. So I decided to get some card to go with it. I got some very vanilla note cards and envelopes. They're really good. I bought the Whisper White ones and I've been using those, and they're so handy to have the cards already. I saw today that they've got the basic white now in the note cards and envelopes. They're not doing the Whisper White anymore. If you haven't heard, it's been discontinued due to COVID and they couldn't get it anymore. So they've now sourced some basic white, which you'll find on the website. Now, what else have I got? Oh, pastel pearls, because I like them. And they come in the hydrangea set if you're buying that. I haven't got that at the moment. I'll find that though in my little magazine. Hang on. Where is it? Hydrangea Hill. That's on page 18, and there's little blingy bits in there, and this shows you all the things that you get in it. It's a beautiful set, but I just haven't got that yet. I just thought I'd get the bling to start with, of course. There's some bling, and let's get my thank you out of there. So this time I got these two DSPs, Designer Series paper, and these are out of the Sale-A-Bration catalogue, which I'll show you in a second. So Paper Blooms Designer Series paper is one of them, and the other one is Flower and Field Designer Series paper. So they're really pretty. I'll just grab my little, so these are in the Sale-A-Bration brochure, which if you don't have one and you would like one, let me know and I'll send you one. So this one here is the designer paper here. That's the first one, that one down there, so you can actually see all the different colours of paper that are in there. You can make such pretty things. And I'll just show you what else is in there. This I've already got the donkeys. It's so cute. The little donkeys. Darling donkeys. And there's a few other things in there. You can see this on the web as well if you want to have a look on the website. And there's the corner bouquet. I'll get to the other one in a minute. I'll just flick through this. Here's the other one. Flower and Field Designer Series paper. So this just gives you some ideas too of what you can do with them. Just nice fun things. And this one, so if you spend $90, you can choose anything that has that little symbol there, $90. So if you spend $90, you get to choose when you get to the checkout. It'll show you at the top of the website that you've got Sale-A-Bration rewards. So this one is if you spend $180, you can get this one. Touch of ink. And also this one here, and you get the paper as well as the stamp set for this. So that's always good. And if you host a party and get the $500 in sales, then you get this free punch party stamp set. And if you want to join, you're welcome to join my team, the Busy Bees. I've been very busy. They've got a special on at the moment with Sale-A-Bration. You get to have 5, there's a misprint in the brochure, so it's actually 5 packets. So it's $100 worth of paper that you get of samples of the new paper that will be in the new catalogue that comes out this year. So that's a great time to join because you get such a good deal. It's $169 to join. Here we go. And you get $235 worth of things of your choice. So in my live tomorrow night, I will be talking about that a bit more and showing a few things that you can put together as a starter kit. So that's my unboxing for tonight. Thank you for joining me. And I'll just leave my Sale-A-Bration there, shall I? It's exciting. Free products. Always fun. Thanks for joining me. Ciao.